North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida, 33021. You can reach me, Frank Rubio, at 786-307-3304. And all our Spanish speakers can reach Joe Rubio at 954-639-1468. Today we're going to do a startup, flying, and drive-by demonstration of our 2019 Freightliner M2, equipped with a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, 6-speed manual, under CDL. This truck is 26,000 pounds, has 43,000 miles, very low PTO hours. It's equipped with an ALTEC LR756, 61-foot over center, with an 11-yard chip dump body. Now on this unit, we've gone ahead and put brand new rims and tires, done the complete PM service, oil filter, fuel filters, belts, hydraulic filter. Very clean unit. Very clean unit. Again, brand new rims and tires, no recaps. Brand new LEDs all the way around. Let's take a look underneath. We do offer equipment financing as low as 1% over prime, and we do offer low boy shipping on this unit. The rate's about $2.50 a mile, fully insured, door to door. Or if you'd like to fly in, you can fly into Fort Lauderdale International Airport. We can pick you up at the airport, bring you here to the shop. In about an hour, we can have a temp tag printed and be ready to hit the road. Again, this unit's been fully serviced, ready to go to work, guys. Now we'll go ahead and do the startup. Alright guys, this is American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida, 33021. You can reach Frank Rubio at 786-307-3304. And for our Spanish speakers, you can reach Joe Rubio at 954-639-1468. And now we'll go ahead and engage the PTO and perform our flying demonstration. Again, this is American Trucks and Equipment located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You can reach Frank Rubio at 786-307-3304. Or for our Spanish speakers, you can reach Jose Rubio at 954-639-1468. We do offer equipment financing on this unit, guys. 1% over prime. It will go under your business credit. They work with startups. Very easy to get approved. And then also we offer lowboy shipping on this unit. Door to door, fully insured. About $250 a mile. If you'd like to fly in and drive it back home, we could pick you up at Fort Lauderdale International Airport. Bring you here to the shop, have the paperwork done in about an hour with a temporary registration and tag, and you'd be on your way. If you'd like to fill out one of our credit applications, you can visit our website at americantrucksandequipment.com. At the top right corner is where you can fill out a credit application. We can have you approved within 48 hours. This unit has its ANSUL and DIELECTRIC tested, performed in the past. Like I said, guys, brand new rims and tires, no recaps, fully serviced, inspected by ALTEC. Literally, all you need is your tools and your guys, and you can go to work today. Let's go ahead and take a look at underneath. Clean chassis, guys, no rust on this unit. Fully serviced. Look at that fresh grease. Brand new rims and tires, no recaps. Look at the depth on those tires. Brand new mud flaps. Brand new LEDs all the way around, guys. You can eat off this chassis. Southern truck. Give us a call today, guys. Let's make a deal.